I'm Mr Coxon, and today we are going to be looking at the digestive system. What we're aiming to do here is find out how digestion works, identify the parts of the body involved in digestion, and describe what happens at each part. So here we have our lovely model that is going to demonstrate the digestive system to us. Now, your food's journey starts in the mouth, where your food is chewed and is also mixed with saliva. The teeth are involved in the chewing process, and they are going to physically break down your food into those smaller chunks. Now, your saliva actually has two roles. Firstly, it lubricates your food, so it makes it wet, which makes it easier to swallow. And secondly, it contains enzymes, which are very, very small proteins which are going to chemically digest your food into very, very small nutrients. From the mouth, we are going to move down into the gullet, which you may have also heard being called the esophagus. The esophagus, or the gullet, is a muscular tissue which is going to bring the food from the mouth into your stomach. It is actually so strong that you can eat and drink upside down and the food will still make its way down from your mouth into your stomach, although I don't recommend that. I'm now going to remove the rib cage and we can have a look inside. Now we are inside the thorax and we are going to remove just one more thing so that we can have a good look at our digestive system, and that is the liver. Pause the video now and see if you can spot the stomach. If you said this part, well done. As you may already know, the stomach is full of stomach acid, but that's not actually involved in the digestive process itself. Stomach acid is actually mainly there to ensure that your food is safe to eat. It kills all of the microorganisms that might be there to ensure that you don't get sick. Just like in the mouth, we have both a physical and a chemical process going on here. Physically, the stomach is lined with lots and lots of muscular tissue, which is going to squeeze the food and break it down. Also, there are enzymes present that are going to chemically digest this food into its individual nutrients. From the stomach, we move directly into the small intestines. The small intestine is there to remove most of the nutrients from the food and into the bloodstream. The small intestine is adapted for this role by having lots and lots of small finger-like projections which massively increase the surface area. They are called the villi. Also have an incredibly good blood supply which allows for all of those nutrients to be taken away and into your body. At this point, we will still have all of the water left in our mixture, and it's the role of the large intestine, which is this brown-green part here, to remove the water. At this point, the food is now ready to be passed out of your body and is what we would now call feces. It is stored in the rectum before passing out of the anus. Today we've found out how digestion works. We have identified the different parts of the digestive system and we have described what happens at each part. I'm Mr Coxon, thank you for watching New Practical Science, and we'll see you in the next practical.